Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
First, prepare both accounts and devices before making changes. Sign into your Microsoft account on the Xbox One using the same email you used on Xbox 360. Check that your Xbox Live gamer tag matches the older profile name and that all purchases show under account and billing. Enable two-factor authentication and be ready to verify within 3 to 5 minutes using email or the Microsoft Authenticator app. Keep your password manager or recovery codes handy to avoid lockouts during the transfer. Next, restore the profile and licenses on the Xbox One step by step. Add your Xbox 360 profile using Add New under the Sign-In menu and enter the correct Microsoft account credentials. Once signed in, open My Games and Apps to trigger license recognition and any pending downloads. If games or content do not appear, sign out and sign back in to force a license sync. Make sure you sign into the original purchasing Microsoft account to transfer digital licenses and entitlements. Finally, troubleshoot common problems if the account still has issues after restoring. Backup local saves to the cloud, then clear local saved games from Settings System Storage to force a fresh sync. Test your network in Settings Network to confirm NAT type and stable connectivity for license checks. If purchases or achievements remain missing, collect your gamer tag and transaction dates, then contact Xbox support for account-level intervention. Keep patience and follow their verification steps to recover access.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.